How to fix造梦西游Wushang game crashing on Steam or keeps crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to the library and then you want to right click on the game, go to properties. Under general tab in launch options you want to type DX-DX11 like this, and then you want to go to the installed files tab and click on verify the integrity of game files, and wait for this process to repair and verify your files. Once this is done, you want to click on the browse button, right click, find the game's exe file and right click on it, and then open up the properties tab, go to compatibility tab and then disable full screen optimization and check run this program as administrator. Click on OK and then close this folder. Now you want to open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA, you will need NVIDIA app. And then you want to go to the drivers section and make sure to check for the latest game ready driver and install it. Now once you install the driver, you will be prompted to restart your computer. And after you do that, you should simply run Steam as administrator by right clicking on Steam logo and then click on run as admin. And once you're on Steam, you should simply launch the game, and this should fix the crashing issues. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.